people, this is Prathamesh and I welcome you to yet another video on Digital Advice Hub. Today we're going to learn about how we can set up a pixel conversion events after the iOS 14 update. Previously, when we are setting up a campaign on the in the objective of conversion, right? We have some standard events that we can choose after the pixel setup, right? But now, after the iOS 14 update, the system is a bit tricky. There are some couple of steps that added over there that you need to complete. After that only you can set up your pixel for the landing page or for your website. Right now, what is pixel exactly? If you people are running advertisement from quite some time right now, then you will know that the pixel is a snippet of code that you need to put on your website or on your landing page in order to get convergent details on your panel. Right? Without the pixel, you cannot make a custom audience, you cannot make the look-like audience, you not even able to calculate any kind of data, right? So it is very important to set up pixel. And without pixel, you cannot even start a conversion campaign, right? And a lot of us who all are into the webinar industry, means the workshop, they are doing an online workshop, who all are in the e-commerce industry, who all are generating leads or walk-ins to their shop, retail shop or distributor for manufacturers. They people need a data in order to grow and optimize their Facebook advertisements. Without that, it's impossible to scale your campaigns, right? So how to set up that pixel? I'm not going to take this video longer, so I'll share you a simple quick setup steps on my computer. We'll get into the screen and then I'll share you a step by step what you need to do and where you need to click exactly, right? So let's dive into the screen now. And for this particular tutorial, I'm going to use my client's account where I already done the pixel setup, right? And I'm just run you through what are the things that you need to do for that, right? So the first thing after the iOS 14 update, the first thing that you need to do is a domain registration. And for that particular thing, what is domain? So the thing is, see, this is my client website, means client's landing page that I have done. He was doing a webinars, right? So I have done a landing page for him, and this is a page, a one-page website. Landing page is nothing but the one-page website where people are coming, clicking on the button or any call to action, and they are filling up this form and they are getting registered for the events or workshop, right? So for this particular thing, I need two pixels, means one pixel and one conversion codes, right? Means once the people is coming over here and if they're filling up the form and hit the submit button, they will land onto the thank you page, right? Which is look like this. And on this thank you page, I'll hit the conversion event that may be a lead, that may be a complete registration, so that I am able to know that people actually filling up the form. And where I need to show up that on the ads manager account. So for this particular tutorial, I assume that you already have an ads manager account and you already have a business manager account. If you don't know how to create a business manager account or how to create an ads manager account, I already created some videos on the YouTube on my channel. You can go out there and you can check it out, right? So for this particular thing, first thing what we'll do, we'll go to the business manager, right? Now I have several accounts, so it's a bit different for you, right? The panel will be sometimes if you people just starting out, you may have a single business manager. I have a multiple business account managers, so it is showing over here, right? But for you, it should be one or it may be one, right? So once we are logged into the page, log into the business manager account and went to the business settings, go to the business settings, then we'll just scroll down and here left hand side we'll found an option called brand safety. We'll just click on that, and under that there's an option called domain. We'll click on that option. Once we click on the option, you will see there is a domain name, the rohitranjan.com, and that's verified, right? If it's not verified, then you are not able to set up the pixel event, right? The first thing, how we can verify this? So you just need to click on this add button, right? You just need to put your domain name here. let's say I have a test.com for this particular tutorial. I'm just giving it test.com and I'll just click on add. Once I've done that, one page will open over here. It will show my domain name and it's showing not verified. For the simple thing, what we need to do, see here, there are three options. One is the HTML code, one is the upload HTML file, and one is the DNS record. HTML code is the easiest way. You just need to copy this snippet, right? And you just need to put it on your head section, right? So you just need to copy this. We'll go on to the website again, and in the website, first thing, if you're aware about the WordPress, we can easily put any snippets in the header section with the help of plugin, right? So we'll just click on the plugin. I already have a plugin. You just need to click on it, and I'll let you know which plugin I'm using. So once we click on plugins, we'll just click on add new. In the section of add new, we'll go down, and in the search box, we'll type insert header and footer. This is the plugin. This is the plugin. Okay. We just need. I already installed it. I already downloaded it and install it and activate it. Right. So once you activate this plugin, you just need to go down to settings. You will find the option called insert header and header and footer. We'll click on that. Once you are there, here I have put the snippet that I got from here. The script I got from domain verification. So I'll just select all the script. Control C for the copy, Command C for the Mac, and then I'll just go here and I'll just paste it here. Once I paste it here, I'll go down and save settings, and that's it. Right? Once I save the settings, I'll come again on the same page, domain verification page. I'll go down here, and here there's a button called verify domain. Right? We'll just need to click on that. I'm not going to click now because this is not a domain. I'm just showing you the testing purpose. Right? Once you put on that, you will go to Event Manager. Okay, just go down over here. It's this is one, the Event Manager. We'll click on that. Once we are into Event Manager, we'll see the pixel codes, right? The pixels which we created. Right now, I have three different ads account in this particular business manager, so I have three different pixels. But in your case, it may be only one. So once you are coming into the pixel page, you just need to scroll down. And once you scroll down, you are able to see there are the page view pixel, which is here already, right? And also I have added some custom conversion. For that particular thing, I'll just click just side of that. I'll just click on this event conversion codes. I'll go down, okay, and I'll just go click on the configure settings. Once I click on the configure setting, it will automatically show me the domain which already verified, right? And once I click on that domain, you see two conversion events that I already put over here, already added over, right? One is a complete registration and one is a purchase. After the iOS 14 update, just remember that you can only optimize one domain for 8 conversion events, not more than that. Right? Previously, we are using a standard event, so we can use any of them. Now it is restricted for 8 particular events, and that to be on a prioritized manner. If you are using purchase, if you are running conversion campaigns with the purchase objective, then your first conversion event should be purchase. Then it should be checkout. Then it should be add to cart. Then it should be the below one. If you are doing just lead generation or the complete registration, then it is fine that you are using complete registration and the page view pixel, right? So how do I add this, right? Let's say that I just need to add some more events in it. I have a 2, I need to add some more. Then what I'll do is I'll just click on the manage event button. Once I do that, I'll just click on this, okay, and see there are 2 already which I have created. Now I'll just click on this green button which says add event. I'll click on this. I'll just select my domain, which is again the same, right? The Rohit Ranjan, I'll just pick my pixel code. Okay, this is my pixel, correct? Then I'll go to here and I'll just choose the event code which I need. Let's say in this case I need add to cart, so I'll just click on that. Okay, and then if I'll go down here, it is showing me submit, right? So I'll just click on submit. Once I did that, okay, it's already added. Okay, if you are able to see, there is an add to cart wala thing. You just need to give the permission to this and then apply, and you are good to go. If I go to the ads manager and I'll create a new campaign with the objective of conversion, and I'll do the continue button, I'll click the continue button, and I'm not going to create a campaign. I just want to show you that how it's look like. So when I'll go to ad set, okay, this is the ad set label, campaign, ad set, and ads. The pixel code is showing under the ad set label, right? So I'll just go here. See, my pixel is already here, and the event that I want to choose is a add to cart, right? So I can choose add to cart now, and I can optimize my campaign around it. If I didn't add any events under the section where I show you right now below the domain, if you don't do that, then you are unable to see any pixel or any conversion events here, right? So you should do the domain verification first, and then you should understand your website, whatever pixel or whatever conversion events that you need to add in the web event first, and then you will be able to optimize that in the conversion campaign. So that's it for the today, and I hope that you understood how to optimize pixel codes or pixel events after the iOS 14 update, right? If you like this video, please hit that like button so that I'll get motivated. Please share this video with the persons whom you know who will be helpful with this, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get the notification when I upload the new videos. Thank you. This is Patmesh signing off. Bye.